Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous morning. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch my video today. Today I'm gonna unbox a sales item from Coach that I got. I got a couple items I'm gonna unbox for y'all. Before I do that, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel all the time. I appreciate you for subscribing. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you watch my channel, if you've watched more than 2 or 3 videos, it's time that you subscribe to my channel. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff there, so check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link. You can find it under my YouTube bio. So go ahead and check that out. There's lots of stuff there. You can also find shopping links, discount codes. You can also shop my personal Mercari and Depop closet as well. I have some really great stuff there for sale, so check those out. And lastly, if everybody could just stop and please give this video a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow. I appreciate y'all for doing that. You don't know how much it means just for you to click that like button. So go ahead and do that real quick for me. I do appreciate it. Y'all, let's get on with the unboxing of these sale items. Now, this is gonna be a bag that I got from Coach. It was actually on sale on Amazon and Coach, but it was a little bit cheaper at $237.50 on the Coach website, so I went ahead and picked it up from there. It came in the black or the maple color, and I got the black. I'm not a real huge fan of the maple, but I do have a Rowan in the maple as well, so I wanted to get a new black bag, and this is an Empire bag. And y'all, I was kind of shocked at the box that it came in because it's so small. It has Empire in it, and it has a t-shirt from Coach. Now, I've received t-shirts from Coach before that came in a huge box and were wrapped up, you know, to the nines. And then all of a sudden you get a package like this and you've got a bag and a t-shirt wrapped inside here. So who knows what we're about to unwrap, but let me show you the box real quick. So this is a small little box, and y'all, this has an Empire 34 in it and a t-shirt from Coach. I was just happy to see the box came intact and was, you know, not damaged because it was shipped by FedEx, is what I've dubbed them. I've gotten so many packages from them, and y'all know if you watch my channel that have been demolished. Every now and then I'll get a good one, so hopefully they're trying to do better, but y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so let's get into the unboxing of this little Empire and see what's going on. And now I'm just gonna say this, so you can tell, I don't know if you can just look here and see, but you can tell that this box is bulging up at the top here. It's not flat, so the box doesn't, or the bag doesn't have any room whatsoever in here to breathe. And hopefully it's not gonna be damaged, or guess what? Back to Coach. All right, let's open it up here and see what's going on. In fact, I'm going over to Coach today to the outlet here close by me, my local one, just to see what's going on here. I'm not gonna probably buy a whole lot because of the drop coming up on 8/5, but I may do a couple of returns. I have a couple items and maybe some of this if it's not up to par. So let's see what we've got here. I'll unbox it with y'all. All right, so it does have the Coach wrapping in the brown paper here with a sticker on it. As you can see, the little sticker, the sticker's never stuck. It always comes loose. But I hate to complain, and I hope y'all don't think I complain so much, but y'all know what I'm talking about when it comes to some of these bags and packages that you get. So maybe this one will be good. So let's check it out. All right, so here it is. It's wrapped up. Go to that box, and let's take it out and see here. Hopefully my t-shirt's in here too. So far I don't see it. So, you know, no shirt in the package. Maybe it's gonna be inside of my bag. If not, they will be hearing from me today. All right, so it's in the dust bag, so it's making me feel like maybe it was already kind of unpackaged. So let's see what we've got here. Because usually I think the dust bag, it comes, you know, inside of the bag, not on the outside. But I could be wrong. So let's see here. All right, here it is. This is the Empire 34 in the black leather. All right, so there it is, all packaged up, and it does have all of the wrapping on it. All right, this is a little bit of a smaller. I have the Empire 40, so I'm used to that size, but I thought this would be really cute to have in the black, especially at $237. So that was a really good deal on that. So, you know, I don't know how a t-shirt is gonna be inside of this since it's all wrapped up, unless they took it loose, stuffed it, and then put it inside. So let's see together. I will take everything off here and we'll see where my t-shirt is, because that's what I really wanted. I want the bag, but I want my t-shirt because I got a good deal on one of the, I believe it was the 10th anniversary t-shirts that were sold out, and then all of a sudden there it was in my size, and I believe it was on sale for $47.50, and it was $100. So let me unzip. I'm just curious, is there a t-shirt in this bag? There's not gonna be a t-shirt. So yeah, so there's the stuffing, and no t-shirt whatsoever in this package. Let me just make sure. Yeah, nothing, no t-shirt. So I did get the bag, but didn't get my t-shirt. So guess who's gonna be on the phone with customer service in about an hour here. All right, y'all, so let me just go over the bag that I got since I don't have the t-shirt to show you, because I was really gonna talk about some of Coach's clothes today, but since I didn't get my t-shirt, we're not gonna talk about that. All right, so here is the bag. I'm gonna take the packaging and everything off of it for y'all, and we'll come back and I'll show you some close-ups of the bag. It's really cute though, and this is just a smaller bag that's gonna hold just a few items, a wallet and a few items, but it's okay. The drop on it's pretty good from what I can tell, and I'll be able to probably fit it on my arm. I'll show y'all what it looks like on. So give me a minute to get everything off of her and we'll see what she looks like. All right, y'all, so I got all of the packaging off of this Empire 34. Here it is. As you can see, the handles are a little bit wonky. Hopefully those will straighten out in time, but it is a really nice little bag. I like the black color. Y'all tell me what you think about it. I'm gonna try it on for you in just a minute, but let's just go over and I'll do a little spin here. There is one side of it, the back side, the other side, and then of course the bottom does have feet on the bottom of it. So there's the bottom, and it comes with a black hang tag on there, and of course you have your Coach insignia there on the front. The top of it has a really nice big zipper across the top here on the closure piece, and then you have a leather zipper pull on the end of that there. So it's a very nice little bag. The interior of this bag is a canvas material. You have your typical little pocket there with the leather lining and your Creed patch on the inside of that. So it's very nice. It's gonna hold a pretty good bit, like I said, a wallet and a few things, but it only has that one pocket on the inside. It does have the little attachment piece there that you could attach like a key ring or something to hold it inside, but really cute. And like I said, I have the Empire 40s, so this will be something a little different to carry, you know, if I just want to carry a little bit less, especially at 237. So let me just show you what it looks like on now that I've shown you the bag. And I will say I went on the website, and it's my bad. They haven't actually shipped my t-shirt, so it says that it hasn't shipped even though I don't have a tracking number for it yet. The tracking numbers for the bag and the shirt, but it says some of your items have shipped, and then the t-shirt is still saying it hasn't shipped as far as the progression line. So who knows? Maybe I'll get it, but I'll put up a picture of the t-shirt that I ordered here on the screen so you can see which one it is, because it's the jungle print from the 10th anniversary, and I just thought for $47.50, I'll take it. But if I don't get it, if they don't ship it, what does it matter? So y'all send me my shirt, Coach. All right, so this little bag is really cute though. Let me see what it looks like on. All right, y'all, so here is the little Empire 34. I'm gonna just show you one more time the bag, and then let's try it on and see what it looks like on here. So I'm a 6'2" man, so you know, it's gonna look a little smaller on me. The little model they have on the website, she has such a tiny little petite arm, and so it looked really huge on her as far as the drop goes, but I think this drop is gonna be fine over my arm still because it's a pretty good drop here. So this is what it looks like on. And it's very comfortable. It drops down just right up underneath my armpit there, so it's a really good size there for me. So if you're smaller, you're definitely gonna get some ease of wear out of this bag. It really feels comfortable on my arm. Like I really feel like I don't have anything on it. Of course, I'm used to carrying the Empire 40, so it's a lot smaller and lighter of a bag, so that's gonna be really good. But let me compare the two. All right, so here is the Empire 40 in my green, olive green color. I love her. But this is the size difference here together. So this is a lot smaller of a bag, but like I said, a lot lighter as well, and it's gonna hold a little bit more less. But let me just show you this one right here. You're not gonna be able to carry over the shoulder. It's a crossbody or either top handle, or you can put it over the crook of your arm, but the strap drop on it is not long enough compared to this one. So that is the comparison between the two. And I like this one. I think it'll be really good to just kind of throw and go and, you know, have a few little items with me instead of the whole closet. But I like it, and I like the color of it, and I need a nice little black bag. Everybody needs a nice little black bag in their collection, so this one's really cute. All right, but that is the comparison between the two. A lot lighter of a bag, so a lot more ease of comfort. But I just wanted to show you all this too and show you how this one fit on me. So I think it's really good, and like I said, very comfortable. Fits right over your shoulder. So a nice little bag to carry. All right, y'all. So that concludes my review of the Empire 34 in this beautiful black color from Coach. I hope you enjoyed my review on it, and I hope I gave you enough information on it and went over the details enough for you. If you have any questions about this bag, you can always email me at madhatterbags@gmail.com. Thank you so much again for watching, and y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please give this video a like before you go. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. See y'all later. Bye-bye.